Hello guys, this is Cubing Sensation. I am Kundan. In this video I am going to show you some 3x3 cube in a cube patterns. Okay, these patterns are look very beautiful after done. So start with first pattern. So let's start with the first pattern, which is called cube in a cube. So do this help. So here is the cube in a cube. It looks very beautiful, as you can see. So let's move on to the next L, which is called cube in a cube in a cube. So in cube in a cube in a cube pattern, you don't need to scramble a cube again. You will start with the end of that pattern. Okay. So here is the cube in a cube in a cube. It's look very beautiful and sexy, as you can see. So keep viewing my channel and like my channel.